Reference of dispute under section 10 to boards, courts and tribunal. For the purpose of convenience, the types of reference under section 10 may be discussed under the following: where a dispute exists or is apprehended. Next is disputes relating to public utility service, then disputes involving national importance, then joint or separate application of the parties and period for submitting award. So now the reference of dispute under section 10 is made to the boards, courts and tribunal. So in that the first topic is where an industrial dispute exists or is apprehended. It is according to section 10 clause A provides that where the appropriate government is of the opinion that any industrial dispute exists or is apprehended, it may at any time by a written order refer the dispute to the board for promoting a settlement, or refer any matter appearing to be connected with or is relevant to the dispute to a court of inquiry, or refer the dispute or any matter, and if it related to any matter specified in the second schedule, then it will be carried for adjudication in the labor code, or refer the dispute or any matter appearing to be connected with and the dispute relates to the any matter specified in the second or a third, then for adjudication dispute is given to the industrial tribunal. Means according to section 10A, where an industrial dispute exists or is apprehended, then it can be at the any time by a it can be referred to the dispute to the board for promoting a settlement, or to the court of inquiry, or if that specified matter is from the second schedule, then it will be referred to the labor court, or any matter specified in the second or the third schedule, then it will be referred to the industrial tribunal.